Hello Instagram. For those of you who have seen my post before, you'll know that I'm a massive fan of the RSPro Water HexaTraction grip. I first got it because I wanted my boards to look pretty, because they already are pretty. I didn't want to ruin them with dirty wax. But what I found is that as well as it making the boards look pretty, I actually feel that it's got more performance because it's just as grippy on turns, bare feet or with boots. But I find that you can lift your feet up easier and move them. So I feel like my split second foot movement is slightly easier than sometimes with tacky wax. And I need all the help I can get, believe me, in terms of moving my feet. So that's why I particularly like it. I ride it with a little bit of wax on the rail here and here where my thighs go, and a little bit, like literally a line, one line of wax, you can't see it. And where my hands go for duck diving, and then I'm good to go. Now HexaTraction have got a number of different colours, and I thought, well, because these boards, the new boards are so white, you know, especially with the epoxy, they're just so fresh white, bright fresh white, and they stay white for some time. I had the clear HexaTraction before and it looked really good, but it wasn't white. You know what I mean? You could still, it was still sort of opaque slightly. It still looked very smart. And I thought, wouldn't it be good if they could do a white HexaTraction? And I actually contacted them and they said, well, look, we can. So they've created a white edition HexaTraction. I'm going to take it like it's my suggestion. They were probably going to do this anyway, but I'm going to take it like it was mine. It's my video, I can do what I want, I can say what I want. So they've got this white edition HexaTraction. I'm going to put it on the FRK. This is a Slater Designs board with Dan Mann. It's the most performance board that I have, most performancey type board I have. It's 6'2" at 32.2 litres, so it's by far my longest board, but my lowest volume board. I normally ride 34, 35 litre boards. So I love this board, goes super vertical, even for someone like me surfing, it's ridiculous. Yeah, I definitely urge you, if you haven't tried one and you're looking for a performance orientated board, they're still actually quite easy to surf, then do get one of these, or do try one of these. But look, I took the clear HexaTraction off, and I'm now going to put the white HexaTraction on. In these packs, if you haven't seen them before, they come with the grip itself and a hexagonal marker, and this helps you place the grip. Now, I'm rubbish at DIY. I don't even really like putting tail pads on. So a lot of people do ask me, how hard is it to put this on and get it looking right? And the answer is actually very, very simple. You do eyeball it, you don't need to measure it. This gives you a little bit of a guide, but that's it. What you should do though first is place them where you want to see them. Place them first without sticking them down to see how you want them placed. And I've done these a few times on a few different boards, and I actually now always like to do the same way because I've tried different things. I like to have 2 at the back and then a set of 3. And then a set of 2, and so on. And on the set of 2, because 4 don't fit across the board, you have these half ones that they give you. You can also cut them into half if you need them, but these half ones will go like this on those side ones. So that's what I like to do. I think that looks best. I want to take my time on it this time because I think I would like to leave this black line. I don't want to cover anything on the board that is got, logos and stuff. So I do actually have a few clear ones as well, so I might use those clear ones where the logos come in. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll put it on a time lapse and hopefully it's going to look good. I'm sure it will look good at the end. See you in a bit. So here's the finished article. I think it looks absolutely great. Very, very nice and clean lines. I love this grip. It's really worth putting on. I've used white and clear here, just to not cover the logos. So I think that works really well. I can see the difference, but I think it still matches. And before I used it, I put it up quite high, and I'm realizing that I'm not John and I'm not gonna get my foot up here for an air, so I've kind of left it out this time. But obviously you can put it up as high on the board as you want it to go. Yeah, so there's some waves coming in a couple of days time, and I can't wait to get this in the water. You can't do the U's, man. If anyone can do a tutorial on how to U, I'd like you to send it to me, please. Thank you very much. Take it easy, guys. See you soon.